Hey guys, so today I wanted to go ahead and play with this Jack palette from Makeup Revolution. This is what the inside looks like. So I wanted to do something a little bit more fall inspired, maybe wearable, I don't know. I just didn't feel like putting a bunch of color on my face today, but eventually I will get into the colorful side of the palette. I'm gonna go ahead and jump in this video because my neighbor's dogs are barking and I really don't want it to pick up in the background. So yeah, if you want to see how I created this little look, then just keep watching. So that is what I did today with this little palette. I am excited. I'm glad that I own it just because I love Nightmare Before Christmas. So regardless, I was getting this palette. I do wish that the brighter colors were a bit brighter because whenever I swatched a couple of them, I was like, oh, super cute little palette. I'm really happy that I own it. I am gonna go ahead and get out of here. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I'll see you in the next one. My daughter. Bye guys.